Throughout history, human curiosity has driven us to understand our environment and advance technologically. However, many mysteries and unexplained phenomena still exist. From puzzling geological formations to mysterious archaeological sites, these places continue to baffle scientists worldwide. Let's explore 15 mysterious places that scientists struggle to explain. 1. The Everlasting Storm, Lake Maracaibo, Venezuela. Lake Maracaibo is home to the Catatumbo lightning, an atmospheric phenomenon producing up to 1 million lightning bolts per year. This everlasting storm occurs 140–160 nights annually, lasting up to 10 hours each night. Scientists debate the exact cause, with theories ranging from wind patterns to mineral deposits beneath the lake. The lightning is visible for miles around, creating an otherworldly spectacle. Some researchers believe it's due to the unique topography of the region, where warm, moist air from the Caribbean Sea collides with cool air descending from the Andes Mountains. Others suggest it might be related to the lake's oil reserves and uranium deposits. Regardless of its cause, the Catatumbo lightning has become an integral part of Venezuelan culture and has even served as a natural lighthouse for sailors throughout history. 2. Nature's Chocolate Delight, the Chocolate Hills, Philippines. Located on Bohol Island, these 1,776 cone-shaped hills turn brown during the dry season, resembling chocolate mounds. While generally attributed to limestone weathering and erosion, the precise formation process and their uniform shape remain subjects of scientific inquiry. Geologists believe the hills are the result of the weathering of marine limestone over millions of years. However, the uniformity of their cone shape and why they haven't eroded away completely is still not fully understood. Local folklore offers a more romantic explanation, involving a heartbroken giant whose tears formed the hills as they dried. The Chocolate Hills have become a popular tourist attraction, offering visitors a surreal landscape that seems almost too perfect to be natural. 3. The Silent Zone, Mapam Silent Zone, Mexico. This remote area in the Chihuahuan Desert, known as the Zone of Silence or La Zona del Silencio, is famous for its alleged electromagnetic anomalies. Various theories attempt to explain these phenomena, from high mineral concentrations to extraterrestrial activity, but no conclusive explanation has been found. Reports of radio signal failures, compass malfunctions, and even spontaneous combustion have made this area a subject of intense speculation. Some researchers suggest that the zone's unique geological composition, rich in magnetite and uranium, might be responsible for the strange occurrences. Others point to its proximity to the 27th parallel north, which it shares with other mysterious locations like the Bermuda Triangle. Despite numerous investigations, the Mapam Silent Zone continues to guard its secrets, attracting scientists, conspiracy theorists, and curious tourists alike. 4. Nature's Dance, the Dancing Forest, Russia. On the Curonian Spit in Russia, pine trees grow in bizarre, twisted shapes instead of their typical straight form. While some attribute this to strong coastal winds, the exact cause remains unknown, as each tree exhibits a unique deformity. These pine trees, which should normally grow tall and straight, instead spiral like corkscrews or bend into loop-de-loops and other contorted shapes. Theories range from unstable sand dunes affecting root growth to caterpillar infestations or even deliberate human intervention. Some locals believe the forest has mystical properties, with the ability to grant wishes or reveal a person's character based on how they interact with the twisted trees. The dancing forest remains a captivating enigma, challenging our understanding of tree growth and environmental influences. 5. The Vanishing Waters, Devil's Kettle, Minnesota. At Judge C.R. Magny State Park, half of the Brule River disappears into a deep hole called the Devil's Kettle. Despite numerous attempts to trace the water's path, including dye tests and GPS trackers, its exact route remains a mystery. The Devil's Kettle has puzzled geologists and hikers for generations. Theories suggest underground caves or lava tubes might be responsible for the water's disappearance, but explorations have yet to confirm these ideas. Interestingly, the river's flow significantly increases downstream, suggesting that the water does rejoin the river at some point. However, the exact path and what happens to objects that fall into the kettle remain unknown, fueling local legends and scientific curiosity alike. 6. The perfect split, Al-Nazla rock formation, Saudi Arabia. This precariously balanced rock formation features a remarkably precise split down its center. While likely the result of natural weathering processes, the exactness of the split continues to intrigue scientists and visitors alike. The Al-Nazla rock formation, located near the Tema oasis, stands as a testament to nature's capacity for creating seemingly impossible structures. The boulder, split with laser-like precision, balances on two small pedestals. Geologists suggest that the split might be the result of frost wedging, where water entered a small crack and expanded as it froze, gradually widening the fissure over thousands of years. However, the exceptional straightness of the split has led some to propose alternative theories, including ancient advanced technology or even extraterrestrial intervention. 7. The star that baffled astronomers, Tabby's star. This star, officially known as KIC 8,462,852, exhibits unusual and significant brightness variations. While dust clouds are the current leading explanation, the exact nature of these fluctuations remains a subject of scientific debate. Discovered by astronomer Tabitha Boyajian, Tabby's star has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Its light output has been observed to dim by up to 22%, far more than would be expected from a transiting planet. Initial theories ranged from swarms of comets to alien megastructures. While recent studies suggest that uneven dust clouds are the most likely explanation, the exact composition and origin of these clouds remain unknown. Tabby's star continues to challenge our understanding of stellar behavior and drives innovations in astronomical observation techniques. 8. The Eye of the Sahara, the Richat structure, Mauritania. Often called the Eye of the Sahara, this massive circular geological formation measures about 40 km in diameter. While believed to be the result of erosion, the exact processes that formed its distinctive bullseye shape are not fully understood. Initially thought to be an impact crater, the Richat structure is now believed to be a deeply eroded geologic dome. Its concentric rings consist of different types of rock that erode at varying rates, creating the eye-like appearance. However, the perfectly circular shape and the central pupil continue to puzzle geologists. Some theories suggest that the central area might have been formed by volcanic activity, followed by collapse and erosion. The structure's remote location in the Sahara Desert has made it a favorite landmark for astronauts and a subject of ongoing geological research. 9. The sea within an ocean, the Sargasso Sea, Atlantic Ocean. This sea, defined by surrounding ocean currents rather than land boundaries, is known for its golden seaweed mats and unique ecosystem. Scientists are still working to understand its formation, continued existence, and ecological importance. The Sargasso Sea, located within the North Atlantic Gyre, is a rare sea without shores. Its boundaries are formed by 4 major ocean currents, creating a relatively calm body of water in the middle of the turbulent Atlantic. The sea is named after the sargassum seaweed that floats on its surface, providing a crucial habitat for diverse marine life. Scientists are particularly interested in how this ecosystem maintains itself and its role in global ocean circulation and climate regulation. The Sargasso Sea also plays a crucial part in the life cycle of European and American eels, though the exact nature of this relationship is still being studied. 10. Nature's Balancing Act, Volokov Mountain, Russia. This remote mountain is covered in peculiar stone mushroom formations. While likely the result of glacial activity and erosion, the exact process behind their creation remains unclear. The stone mushrooms of Volokov Mountain, some reaching up to 9 meters in height, present a surreal landscape that seems to defy gravity. These formations consist of large, flat rocks balanced precariously on thinner stone pillars. Geologists believe they were formed during the last ice age, as glaciers advanced and retreated, exerting immense pressure on the underlying bedrock. Over time, softer rock eroded away, leaving behind these mushroom-shaped structures. However, the uniformity and widespread nature of these formations across the mountain continue to raise questions about the specific conditions required for their creation. 11. The mysterious lights, the Hesteland Lights, Norway. Unexplained glowing orbs regularly appear in Norway's Hesteland Valley. Despite extensive scientific study, the cause of these lights remains unknown, with theories ranging from ionized gas to piezoelectric effects. The Hesteland lights have been observed since the 1930s, with increased frequency since the 1980s. These luminous phenomena appear as bright white, yellow, or red lights floating above the ground and moving with apparent intelligence. Scientists have set up the Hesteland AMS, automatic measurement station, to study the lights, collecting data on their appearance, movement, and spectrum. Theories about their origin include combustion of dust from the valley floor, piezoelectric effects due to local quartz deposits, and even exotic explanations involving mini black holes or extra-dimensional objects. Despite years of research, the Hesteland lights continue to elude full scientific explanation. 12. The Pacific Bermuda Triangle, the Devil's Sea, Pacific Ocean. Also known as the Dragon's Triangle, this area between Japan, Guam, and the Bonin Islands is associated with numerous ship and aircraft disappearances. While some attribute these to natural phenomena, the exact causes remain debated. The Devil's Sea has gained a reputation similar to that of the Bermuda Triangle, with reports of mysterious disappearances and electronic malfunctions. Some of the most famous incidents include the disappearance of the Kaio Maru No. 5 in 1952 and the loss of 5 Japanese military vessels in the early 1950s. Explanations range from underwater volcanoes and extreme weather conditions to more speculative ideas involving underwater ruins of ancient civilizations or UFO activity. While many scientists attribute the phenomena to natural causes, the area's volatile nature due to its location on the Pacific Ring of Fire continues to fuel mystery and speculation. 13. The Hexagon of Saturn, Saturn's hexagonal storm. A persistent, hexagonal-shaped storm at Saturn's North Pole has puzzled scientists since its discovery. While thought to be formed by jet streams, the exact mechanism behind its distinctive shape is not fully understood. First observed by the Voyager missions in the 1980s and later studied in detail by the Cassini mission, Saturn's hexagonal storm is a unique feature in our solar system. The storm, measuring about 25,000 kilometers across, rotates at nearly the same rate as the planet. Scientists believe it's formed by a complex interaction between Saturn's atmosphere and its rapid rotation. However, recreating such a stable polygonal shape in fluid dynamics models has proven challenging. The storm's longevity and the mechanisms that maintain its precise hexagonal shape continue to be subjects of intense study in planetary science. 14. The town that hums, the Taos hum, New Mexico. Some residents of Taos report hearing a persistent, low-frequency hum. Despite investigations, no definitive source or explanation has been found, and not everyone in the area can hear it. The Taos hum, first reported in the early 1990s, is described as a low-frequency drone, similar to a distant diesel engine. Those who hear it often report accompanying symptoms like headaches, nausea, and sleep disturbances. Investigations by numerous scientists and government agencies have failed to identify a definitive source. Theories range from industrial equipment and military experiments to tinnitus and mass hysteria. The fact that only a small percentage of the population can hear the hum adds to its mystery. Similar phenomena have been reported in other parts of the world, leading some researchers to suggest a global explanation involving very low frequency, VLF, radio waves or geomagnetic phenomena. 15. Ancient artistry from above, the Nazca Lines, Peru. These enormous geoglyphs, created by the ancient Nazca civilization, cover 174 square miles of desert. Their purpose and the methods used to create such precise, large-scale designs without aerial perspective remain subjects of scientific debate. The Nazca Lines, created between 500 BCE and 500 CE, consist of hundreds of individual figures, ranging from simple lines to complex zoomorphic designs. The largest figures are over 200 meters across, and their precision is remarkable given the lack of aerial technology at the time of their creation. Theories about their purpose include astronomical calendars, water source markers, and alien landing strips. However, most archaeologists believe they had religious significance, possibly used in rituals to appeal to the gods for water and fertility. The methods used to create such large, accurate designs from ground level continue to impress and puzzle modern researchers, highlighting the ingenuity of ancient civilizations. These mysterious places continue to captivate our imagination and drive scientific inquiry, reminding us that there's still much to discover about our world. Each site presents unique challenges to our understanding of natural processes, ancient technologies, or unexplained phenomena. As science advances, we may uncover the secrets behind these enigmas, but for now, they stand as testaments to the wonder and complexity of our planet and the universe beyond.